I'm Rocky. I'm the Commercial Electrical Project Manager and Estimator for the company. Our electrical division, we provide electrical services for commercial and residential. We provide all types of lighting, new lighting, retrofits, specializing in LED lighting. We also do security wiring, fire alarm, and teledata.
When you call Meisner Services, you'll never get an answering machine. You'll always get a live person with hassle-free appointments and on-time service. If you'd like to schedule a service call or an estimate, give us a call at 610-770-1007 or visit us online at meisnerservices.com.